What's going on? Mike Hobbs here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about Getresponse and the top 7 reasons why I believe this to be the superior autoresponder over anything else. And keep in mind, before I get too far into this review, I've used a lot of different autoresponders. I'm talking about Aweber, Getresponse, ActiveCampaign, Moosend, Mailerlit, Ontraport, even things like ConvertKit and some of the unknown ones like BerserkerMail and things like that. Bottom line is I've used a lot of different autoresponders. I've tested different ones out, and I've come up with 7 reasons why I prefer Getresponse. Now keep in mind that this is actually just as close to Aweber as any of them. So you could almost copy and paste everything that I say about Getresponse to Aweber if you wanted to, but there is a couple things that I think stand out with Getresponse over Aweber, is why I picked Getresponse over Aweber. So anyway, I'll get to that here in just a minute. But number 1 is it literally just has all the different features that all the other ones have. You can create lists. You can have contact section here. You can create segments. You can do the list hygiene and remove people from your list. There's suppression. There's automations. I have a whole bunch of automation set up. You can create tags. You can do autoresponders, email newsletters, you name it. You can pretty much just do it just like any other autoresponder out there. So when I'm reviewing an autoresponder, I just want to know, can it do everything else out there? In fact, there's even some webhooks you can do. There's integrations with API. You can also even do the RSS. So if you did a blog post, you can have that automatically email out to your email list. So it basically has everything that everyone else has. The second thing, number 2, is it has been around for 23 years. So let me actually just show you. This is their About section. And if I scroll down, you'll see that the co-founder or the CEO, he launched his first autoresponder in 1997. Getresponse was registered in 1998, which makes that's 25 years ago from the time of this video, and they launched in 2000. So that's 23 years ago. It's really important to know a company is going to be around long term. I've actually tried newer autoresponders, and it worked really well in the beginning, and then after about a couple months, all of my emails went to spam. Like their servers weren't doing very well. They're coming and going like crazy right now. And I just love the fact that they have been around super long, right? 23 years to be exact from when they registered their first autoresponder. And that is a huge thing. I like longevity, and I like picking companies that have been around a long time. Number 3 is it literally syncs with everything. Like it seamlessly integrates. If you go into the back office and you click over here on their integrations and API, you can pretty much integrate this thing with anything, right? And in every single system that I've ever been a part of, usually the top 2 that are in there are Getresponse and Aweber. I see it everywhere in every system. In fact, even the company that we co-founded, it's easily integrated and seamlessly integrated in the HBA funnel builder. If you click over here on funnel settings, you click over here on applications, it's one of the applications in our system. You can just seamlessly integrate it via API. And that makes it so much easier to use because you don't have to worry about making sure that you have to put a web form or deal with code or any of that stuff. It just seamlessly integrates with almost everything. Like literally, I've been a part of a ton of different systems since 2011 when I got online. And I'm just thinking about this now. I've seen Getresponse in literally every system I've ever joined. Every single system I've ever joined, I've seen an integration with it. So that's pretty cool because then you know that if you join another system, or maybe you decide one day you want to use Shopify, you just know that it's going to integrate well with it. You're not going to have to figure out workarounds. I've actually used some autoresponders that are not easily integrated in things, and it worked well for certain systems. And then when I try to use something else, it was annoying, right? I had to find workarounds. I had to figure it out. And I just prefer seamless integration. Okay, the next one is this autoresponder is focused on email. Okay, I know that they have some other features back here, but one thing to really know is when you start getting into those systems that are all-in-one systems that provide everything for you, they give you the capture page, sales pages, all these different things, and then they're also like, oh yeah, and we also have an integrated email system. I've used a couple of those, and I'm telling you right now that usually the email delivery tanks when you do that, because you're using a system that is focused on landing pages, sales pages, all these things, and they just throw email in there to make it simple. Simple sometimes costs you more money in the long run because you get less results. In fact, in our funnel builder tool, we had the option of integrating an autoresponder ourselves. And then we realized we had to become email delivery experts. Okay. And we were like, okay, that's probably not the greatest idea for us as a company to become email delivery experts, especially when things like Getresponse nowadays are email delivery experts. They know about it. They already do it. They monitor the blacklists. They monitor the IPs. They get new IPs. They do all of that stuff for us on the back end where we don't have to do it. And then with the technology nowadays, with API, it is literally seamless. So when someone goes to this capture page, they put their name and email here. It's seamlessly integrated in Getresponse, where it just goes right over there immediately. They get the emails automatically, and they're in both systems. So they'll show up in my contacts area here, in whatever system you're using, and then also in Getresponse seamlessly. So you don't have to have it all in one system when you have technology like API. You can use something that focuses on email. Then you can use a system like the HP Funnel Builder that focuses on funnels and systems like that. And then you just seamlessly integrate them via API, and then you're good. Now, the fifth reason is it's perfect for affiliate marketing. Sometimes I've actually joined a couple of systems that had good email delivery, but then I read their terms and they were against promoting affiliate products. And if you want to make money from home, you need to be able to promote other people's products unless you create your own. So for example, in our own business, the Home Business Academy, we use a service called ActiveCampaign for our automations. And we originally recommended ActiveCampaign to everybody. And we had some members promote our company, the Home Business Academy, via ActiveCampaign, and they got shut down. And the reason was because they were promoting an affiliate offer. How does that make any sense? We have the Home Business Academy. We use ActiveCampaign with it for the sales automation. And then we have an affiliate promote the same business. They were shut down. We weren't. Why? Because that system is not affiliate marketing friendly. It is friendly for if you own your own company or you own your own business, and maybe you're a brick and mortar, or maybe you're an online business like us. So ActiveCampaign works for us as a company, but it does not work for people who are affiliates of our company. So that's why we got rid of recommending ActiveCampaign. That was actually our original recommendation for an autoresponder in our company because it was our favorite one at the time, but we realized it's not affiliate marketing friendly. Number 6 is they have amazing support. So if you ever need any help, you just click on this little chat, you start up the chat, and it's super responsive. Like literally, it just pops right up, right? And I can ask them anything that I want. And I've actually used this quite a few times. There was some issues that I was having, and I just messaged them, and they fixed it right there on the spot. I had a billing issue once. They fixed it right there on the spot. And they're just super responsive. It's fast. It's easy to use. And you could just click on the little chat box right in the back office, and it's a live person. So you literally get a live person right away. If support is important to you, then 2 thumbs up, right? All right, so last but not least, point number 7 is it has the best affiliate program out of any of the autoresponders. Now, I get it that making money from a tool is usually not on the top of the list because quality is more important than the money-making opportunity. But when you have a couple tools that are neck and neck, and they pretty much do the same thing. And in this case, Getresponse and Aweber are pretty much neck and neck. When it comes to making money and referring a tool, Getresponse is way better. And here's why. Let me actually show you. So in Getresponse, there's a concept I love called you get paid to use tools. So check this out. I have earned over $18,000 from Getresponse. And I actually was just looking on my YouTube channel recently. This is the first video of me reviewing Getresponse. But yet I've made $18,000 in Getresponse. And I made $146 last month, and I'm already at $145 this month. I've made over 275 sales, and today I don't have any sales, right? But the bottom line is this is paying me to use the service. So it's actually better than free. I don't pay $146 a month for my Getresponse account. And I have the top account. I have the automations package, and I think I pay around $75 a month for Getresponse. But am I paying for it? Am I paying $75 a month? No, I'm not. They are paying me to use it. They are paying me $75 a month to use it. I want you guys to get that. So some people are looking for the free solution. Some people are looking for things that are just cheap and free and low cost. What's more low cost than them paying me to use the tool? That's a huge concept that I think more people should embrace. And the reason I put this above something like Aweber is because they not only have the residual income aspect, they pay you, but they do it through ACH. So they just direct deposit right into your bank account, whereas something like Aweber is PayPal only. In fact, I was a little annoyed with them because I used Aweber for many years. They were paying me a paycheck in the mail for many years. And then one day they just said, hey, we're no longer going to do paychecks. We're doing PayPal 100% exclusively. So they literally just cut off my entire income because I don't have PayPal anymore. PayPal shut me down a long time ago. So I actually just put my brother's PayPal address in there. And now my brother gets some free money every month from Aweber. But I don't like when companies make changes. When there's two companies side by side, one of them pays me ACH for the affiliate program, and one of them pays me PayPal, and one of them took my money away, which one do you think I'm going to pick? Right? So that is literally the deal breaker right there between the two. I actually like both companies. I like Aweber and Getresponse pretty much equally as far as products go. But as far as the affiliate program, I give the edge to Getresponse. In fact, I was actually looking for other alternatives. And every one I've seen, they all pay either through PayPal, they all have a one-time commission, or they don't pay residual. But as you can see, I get the product better than free with an affiliate program. And that is huge. That is huge. So there you have it. That's my Getresponse review. Let me know if you have any questions below. I'll be happy to answer them. And I do have an affiliate link for Getresponse, as I explained. And I do have some bonuses if you would like to purchase through my specific link below. And the first bonus is I will actually be loading up a template inside the HBA funnel builder called Digital Prosperity. It's in the Digital Prosperity category, where you can just load up my template in the funnel builder and use it to promote Getresponse. You can use my video. I'll have a separate call to action that will lead to you, and you can sell it and make the 33% commissions. And I'm just going to throw that in there when you purchase through my link below. And then second is I have an email swipe file that I purchased from a top copywriter, where you can load these up as email broadcasts to your leads and sell anything. It doesn't matter what business you're selling, you can sell anything with that. So I will throw that swipe file in as a bonus for those of you who purchase through my link. The only way that you'll be able to get these bonuses though is after you have purchased through my link, you send me a personal email and just say, hey, can I have your Getresponse bonuses? And then I'll just verify that I see your name in my back office. And then I'll send you over those two bonuses. The one with the template, just so you can promote Getresponse. And then the other one is the swipe file. So I hope you got value from today. Make it a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.